I'll be showing you how to mute the feedback tones of your JBL Charge 6. So these are the tones when you put it in Bluetooth pairing mode, the tones when you turn the speaker on, when you turn it off, all those sounds it makes, you can actually go ahead and mute them. Those are called feedback tones. So to do that, go to the JBL Portable app. And if you don't have it, go ahead and install it. It's free on the Google Play Store for Android and on the Apple App Store for iPhone users. So launch the JBL Portable app and you should see your speaker in the app like that. So what you want to do is go to product information, tap on that, and then you should see feedback tone, and you can disable your feedback tones. So now you can turn the speaker on, you can turn it off, and it's not going to make any sounds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.